Okay, so we are going to look at Cramer's rule in solving a system of equations with two variables. So right here I have my system of equations, and over here is Cramer's rule. So what exactly do these letters mean? Well, first off, think back to the original Cramer's rule, which says that we need to define our coefficient matrix, A. And that coefficient matrix is going to be all the coefficients in my system of equations. So I have a 9, 4, 3, negative 5. 9, 4, 3, negative 5. And don't worry about these two guys quite yet, because these are not coefficients, they are constants. They do not have a variable. This negative 6, that's going to be my E. This negative 21, that's going to be my F. So when we look at these letters, we're going to assign them to different numbers here. This is going to be my A. This is going to be my B. This is my C. And this is my D. And the reason we look at it this way is because my coefficient matrix A goes A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. The two remainings are E and F. So if I need to figure out my determinant here for X, I need to take the matrix E, B, F, D. So let us do that. And sorry about this handwriting, new pen, etc. So let's find X. So X is going to equal the determinant, and that's what these two lines mean, the determinant of E. So we've got negative 6, B, which is 4, F, which is negative 21, and D, which is negative 5. So how do I find the determinant? Well, remember, I go across and across. So I do negative 6 times negative 5 minus the product of 4 times negative 21. This is going to give me a positive 30 plus 84, or 114. Now I need to divide this still by the determinant of A. So I'm going to need to figure out my determinant of A. And that ignore that. Is going to be 9 times negative 5 minus 3 times 4. Negative 45 minus 12 is going to give me a negative 57. So if I want to find out what my X value is, it's going to be this 114 divided by negative 57, or negative 2. So a couple things here to remember. Your matrix A is going to be your coefficients, A, B, C, and D, because they're the most important. When we look at finding X, what we do is we first start with the E and the F, and then we put the B and the D. So we go for the last column, and then the second column. When finding Y, first you put your first, and then you put your E and your F. So looking at all this, take the time now and try and figure out what the Y coordinate is for this solution to the system of equations.